They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum. When people come to see 'em, they really are a scream. The Addams Family.
Neat. Sweet. Petite.
So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Central Valley. It's Danny and Bella here with your announcements for today, November 15th, 2017.
The lunch for today will be CV bowl, and tomorrow is beef and cheese or cheesy chicken nachos with home-style refried beans.
Friday marks the first official practice date for winter sports. If you are planning to participate in girls or boys basketball, wrestling, gymnastics, or swimming, you have to have a physical. You cannot participate or play without a PIAA physical on file. Physical forms can be downloaded from the school website or are available in the athletic office.
Caitlin Lyons is still looking for volunteers for her senior project to help donate non-perishable food items to help benefit those in need this holiday season.
We are raising awareness this week for grieving children. It is our hope that you will support your fellow students by wearing blue tomorrow. Our ceremony of remembrance will be held during Academic Study Hall. The location will be announced tomorrow.
If you would like to earn community service hours, volunteers are needed at the Festival of Trees over the holidays this year. This event will be held in Brady's Run Park. This is a great way to work on senior projects and community volunteer hours while also giving back to the community. If you would like to volunteer, stop down at the office and pick up a volunteer sign-up form.
Attention juniors and seniors, the Monaca Fire Department is looking for help selling Christmas trees this holiday season. If interested, please contact the fire department by email at monacafire.com. These hours will count towards your senior project.
That's all we have for you today, CV. Now here's Nico and Preston with the word of the week.
What's up, CV? We are back with yet another word of the week. What is this week's word, Nico?
This week's word is fickle.
What does that mean?
Fickle, often changing or unstable.
Can you use it in a sentence for me?
Johnny's moods were varied and fickle, never lasting too long.
Wow, Nico, that was a great word today. Tune in next Wednesday for our Wednesday Word of the Week.
Hello CV, Madison and Brittany here with a segment on photosynthesis.
Since keystones are coming up, photosynthesis might be a big part of it.
We are here to teach you all about it.
Photosynthesis may sound like a big word, but it's actually pretty simple. You can divide it into two parts. Photo is the Greek word for light, and synthesis is the Greek word for putting together, which explains what photosynthesis is. It is using light to put things together.
You may have noticed that all animals and humans eat food, but plants don't eat anything. Photosynthesis is how plants eat. They use this process to make their own food. Since they don't have to move around to find food, plants stay in one place. Since they can make their own food anywhere as long as they have three things: carbon dioxide, water, and light.
Chloroplasts are what makes leaves green, and they are also what takes the carbon dioxide, the water, and the light and turns them into sugar and oxygen. The sugar is then used by the plants for food, and the oxygen is breathed out into the atmosphere. This process as a whole is photosynthesis. Without photosynthesis, plants wouldn't exist.
We joined Mr. Kosnick's biology class to learn about the photosynthesis and the pigments in the leaves. Take a look.
What is the purpose of the lab, Mr. Kosnick?
We're looking at the pigments in leaves. So, lose their leaves, you were right. They lose them because of temperature change and because of minimal sunlight. And just, it's not beneficial to be doing photosynthesis, so they kind of go into a hibernation type state. Chlorophyll will absorb, so if it can absorb green, guess what colors it's going to absorb pretty well?
Red.
Blues and reds. specifically blues and violets and red wavelengths. Good work, Shelby.
Thanks.
Good work. Thank you for participating. So the primary pigments in plants are chlorophyll. There's two types, chlorophyll A and B, and it absorbs light well in the blue, violet, and red wavelength range. It does not absorb green. It reflects it, and that's why plants appear green. What you're actually seeing and what pigments do, they absorb that light energy. And the light energy they don't absorb is the color you see. So the reason why you see green in the summer on trees is because they're reflecting green light back at you. So they're just a reflection of light. So again, what I would like you guys to do is try not to go too far, but collect some red leaves and some green leaves or orange, whatever you feel like is going to be cool to analyze. But go find some good leaves. Don't find anything too dry. There. This is good green and red leaves. Oh my goodness. Yeah, those are pretty good ones.
Sweet. I got that one off the ground.
You should be okay.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah.
Everyone show your
Hey, why don't we
leaves.
act like a tree and leave?
Have a great day, CV.